Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to learn to use the Pythagorean theorem and its converse to solve problems. First, we need to study some of its vocabulary. Pythagorean theorem states that for any right triangle, the sum of the square of the lengths of the legs equals to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. Legs are the sides that form a right triangle. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right triangle. It is also the longest side. Distance formula is used to determine the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane, whether or not they are aligned horizontally or vertically. Now, who is Pythagoras? Pythagoras was born on the Aegean island of Samos. He is the best known for the Pythagorean theorem, which relates the side lengths of a right triangle. Now, for the Pythagorean theorem, here is the, in words, in any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the lengths of the two legs is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So, like this one, we have this triangle with sides 8, 6, and 10, no? So we have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. 36 plus 64 equals 100. So here, the 10 is the hypotenuse. Okay, see here, in algebra, C is the hypotenuse, A and B are the toe legs. So this is the formula, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, example, find the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, so find the length of the hypotenuse to the nearest hundreds. So we have here A squared plus B squared, no? Equals C squared. So we have 4 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. To substitute from A and B, that is 41. So C squared is square root of 41, or C is equals to square root of 41, or 6.40, approximately 6.40. That is the hypotenuse. Another here, we have here the Cartesian coordinate plane. Now, find the length of the hypotenuse of the nearest hundred. So triangle with coordinates. So we have point 1 and negative 2, of course, 1 and 7 and 13 and negative 3. Now, for AB square or Pythagorean theorem, so A square plus B square equals C square. So we're looking for the longest length, So 9. How do you know that it's 9? We have negative 2, negative 1 and negative 2. So 9 and 12. Okay, so 9 squared plus b squared. So substitute for a, b, c. We have 81 plus 144 for c squared. Or that's about square root of 225. No, which is no, our that is equals to 15. Okay, so find the length of the hypotenuse to the nearest hundred. So same, no? Same formula. Okay, see here is 8.60. Uh, don't just look at the right triangle. Okay, so next we have find the length of the hypotenuse. So still this hypotenuse, of course. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. That's still the formula. Okay, now we have, okay, how do you know that you got this side a 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So that's why 6 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, so we have the square root of 61, or c equals 7.81. Okay, next. Solve for the unknown, use in the right triangle to the nearest tenth. Okay, so we're looking for a leg. So from we here a squared plus b squared. So ito yung po yung original nating formula. So we're looking for the b squared. So 7 squared is 49. So 49 minus 49 or we have 756. The square root. So paano kumuha ng square root? In your calculator, look for uh this sign. Okay? So that you can get the square root. Find the positive square root. Okay, so yeah, we have square root of 24. Okay, so for the unknown side in the right triangle, so same, no? Still for looking for b, okay? So we have e square plus b square equals 12 square. So we got subtract 16. B square is equals to uh 128. So extract the square root by typing it in your calculator. So the approximate what do you call this one of your B is 11.31. Okay, so we have here two airplanes leave the same airport at the same time. The first plane flies to a landing strip 350 miles south, while the other plane flies to an airport 725 miles west. How far apart are the two planes after they land? Okay, so we're looking for for in Pythagorean theorem, we're looking for the hypotenuse. So always draw your ano. So from the formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we have 350 squared plus 725 squared equals c squared. And then a substitute, so you have to substitute for a and b. So that is 122,500 plus 525,625. Then add the two, so that will become 648,125 equals c squared. So, or extract the square root, that is 805. So, approximately 105. So, the two planes are approximately 805 miles apart. Okay. Now, two birds leave the same spot at the same time. The first bird flies to his nest 11 miles south, while the other bird flies to his nest 7 miles west. How far apart are the two birds after they reach their nests? So still we are looking for the hypotenuse, okay? So how far apart two birds, no? So from the Pythagorean theorem, we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that means um 11 miles south and 7 miles west. So we get 11 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. So 11 times 11 is 121. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, equals c squared. So 121 plus 49 is 170. Okay, so the square root of 170 is approximately 13. Okay, so therefore, the two birds are approximately 13 miles apart from each other. Okay, so makikita ba sila? Palagay ko, walang chance. Okay. Okay, let's try to solve this one. So we're looking for the height here for number one. So h is equals to the square root of 10 square minus 6 square. So that's about the square root of 4 square or the square root of 16 or that is 4 meters. Okay. Then for the length of C, since this is already 4 meters. Okay, so to get the side, we have C is equals to the square root of 9 square plus 4 square. We got the square root of 81 plus 16. That is equals to the square root of 97. Okay, using your calculator, it's about square root of 97 is about 9.8 meter, or if you want to do it in a whole number, it's about 9 meter. Okay? Are you sure? 9 plus 16. Oh, wait. Let's do it right. Okay, so we have 81 plus 16 was 97. That's correct. And if we are going to extract, so 9 square root of 97, yeah, it's 9.8. It's correct. Uh, okay, so for number 3, no, you can solve it on your own. An escalator in a shopping mall is 40 feet long and 32 feet tall. What this is that the escalator carry a shopper. So what given here is the C and the A. So that means you're looking for one leg, which is A. Huh? What's the value of A? Now that's for you to find out. All right. Now, this is for your journal writing. Explain in 5 sentences what you have understand on this quote. It says the soul of a man is divided into three parts: intelligence, reason, and passion. Intelligence and passions are possessed by other animals, but reason by man alone. So that's according to Pythagoras. So please explain and how you understand. Correct. Okay? That's all for today, guys. I love you all. See you.